In this video, we are talking about something crucial for drivers on the road, the Comdata Card. It's your go-to tool for getting gas on the road without having to come out of your pockets. The Comdata Card is a fuel card that is accepted at major truck stops, diesel merchants, and thousands of independent gas stations across North America. Plus, it comes with pre-negotiated fuel discounts to save you money. Here's how it works. When you're dispatched for a load, your Comdata Card will be loaded with enough money to complete that delivery. Dispatch will calculate how much fuel you need based on your route's mileage and current diesel prices. Now, this means that sometimes you will be loaded with more money than you need, sometimes you will receive less than you need, but no worries. You can always contact dispatch or the load planning team and request additional funds. One thing to note is a $5 administrative fee added whenever money is loaded onto the card. It's a small fee, but something to keep in mind. For drivers, this system means no more fronting your own money for fuel or waiting for reimbursements. The Comdata Card makes fueling up hassle-free and flexible, as it's widely accepted at major diesel merchants. In a nutshell, the Comdata Card is your fuel passport on the road, simplifying life for truckers. If you're new to trucking or considering entering the industry, this is definitely something to know about. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you gain a better understanding of Comdata, please feel free to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more informative videos. Drop any questions or comments below, and we will be happy to help. See you in the next video. Drive safe and keep hustling.